This 38-piece digital torque screwdriver set was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm doing a full unboxing and showing everything that's included in the kit. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged inside a hard storage case, and right away this feels much more like a professional tool than a basic screwdriver set. As I open the case, you can see that everything has its own designated location, which makes the kit feel very organized and easy to store. Inside, you'll find the digital torque screwdriver, multiple bits, extensions, adapters, and other accessories included in this 38-piece set. One thing I noticed immediately is that the overall presentation is really nice. Nothing is loose or thrown together, and it's easy to see exactly where everything belongs. As I'm showing the contents up close in the video, you can get a better look at the included components and the overall layout of the case. The main feature that makes this tool different from a standard screwdriver is the digital torque functionality. This model is designed to provide precise torque settings from 0.3 to 8 Nm, helping take the guesswork out of tightening fasteners. It also features a 1/4 inch quick release hex head, making it easy to swap bits quickly while working. As I'm showing the screwdriver itself, you can see the digital display and controls that allow you to adjust the settings and monitor torque levels. Another feature I think is really useful is the built-in LED and buzzer alerts. These indicators help notify you when you've reached your selected torque setting, helping reduce the chances of over-tightening. As I continue through the video, I spend time showing the various bits and accessories included in the kit. There are quite a few options included, making it useful for a wide variety of projects and repairs. One thing that made this unboxing especially entertaining in our house is that my husband had absolutely no idea this tool was arriving. He recently got a new rifle and is actually picking up a new scope tomorrow. The funny part is that when he saw this arrive, he immediately got excited because he knew exactly what it was. Before I could even finish unboxing it, he was already talking about wanting to use it. He had no idea the brand was sending this to me, so his reaction was completely genuine. I honestly think that he was more excited about this package than some of the products that are actually intended for me. As soon as he saw the digital torque setting and precision features, he immediately started thinking about mounting and adjusting his new scope. It was one of those situations where the timing couldn't have worked out better. Beyond that, this type of tool can be useful for a variety of other projects as well. Precision torque tools are commonly used for bicycles, hobby equipment, electronics, household repairs, and many other tasks where accurate tightening matters. In the video, I continue showing the various bits, adapters, and accessories so you can get a realistic idea of everything that's included. One thing I appreciate is that the storage case keeps everything protected and organized. Instead of digging through a toolbox trying to find the right bit, everything stays together in one place. The screwdriver itself also feels comfortable in the hand and has a nice solid weight to it. The digital display is easy to read and the controls appear straightforward and user-friendly. Overall, this feels like a really thought-out precision tool set. Between the digital torque control, LED and buzzer alerts, quick release design, organized storage case, and variety of included bits, it offers a lot of functionality than a standard screwdriver kit. And based on my husband's reaction when he realized what it was, I have a feeling this tool is going to get plenty of use around our house very soon.